Hey guys, in today's video, I'll share with you how to add products to your Shopify store the right way. Now let's start. Make sure to log in your Shopify store. Now in the homepage of your Shopify, just click the product section. Now in here, all you have to do is to click the add product button. Then after that, all you have to do is to input your title. So basically, this is the name of your product. So for example, cotton t-shirt. Then in the next section is the description. So all you have to do is to input what is the product all about, like selling points, what are you selling, what materials do you use, the shipping information, and advantages of your product from other competitors. So for example, this one. Then after that, just add the media. So in here, just upload a high resolution photo of your product. So it is usually your customer's first impression. So if you have a great quality of your photo, it will help to build and engage with the customer. Then the next section is the price. Now in here just input the price of your product. Like for example, 500 pesos. Then compare to price of 700 pesos. And then in the cost per item, just input the price of your product per item. Like for example, 400. So I do have a 100 profit and margin of 20%. Then next is the inventory. So if you want to track the quantity of your products, just check this and then just input the number of quantity you have. So for example, I have a 20 t-shirts, and then you also have an option if you want to continue selling when out of stock, or this product has a SKU or barcode. Then after that, in the shipping section, so basically if you have a physical product, just input the weight of your product. So you can also change this if you want to set to ounce, kilogram, or grams or pounds. Then after that, in the variants, just add options like the color, size of your product. So for example, I'll be applying a size. In the size name, just add like small, medium, large, or XL. Then after that, just tap done. Now at the bottom, you can also set the quantity of your product per sizes. So like for example, in medium, I have 3 quantity. Then in large, I have 5 quantity. Then in XL, I have 2. So this supposedly to be 15. Then after that, you can also add a picture of its sizes. So just tap the photo, then select the image. After that, just tap done. Now at the bottom, in the search engine section, in here you can edit this by clicking this pencil icon. And then you can add keywords related to your product that could rank up to the search engine. Then after that, just click the save button. Now as you can see here, our product is already added together with the inventory, the stocks, and variants. That's all, and if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.